He runs up and sends it away. Welcome to Week 11. Fielded by Jazaric Peterson, also a new signing here for Green Bay. Peterson finds the space and he's on his feet. Peterson trying to cut back, now back left. Peterson down the sideline. He's gonna go! Jazaric Peterson! Touchdown, Green Bay! Davis in the shotgun, Simpson to his left. Two receivers in forward motion, snap to Davis, fake pitch out. Looks downfield, pass caught, touchdown, Fishers. Goal to go situation, 3rd and goal from the 1. Myler, jet into the end zone, touchdown, Green Bay. Another rushing touchdown for Max Myler. Fishers trying to reclaim the lead, handoff to Simpson. He goes into a pile, but over it, into the end zone, touchdown, Fishers freight. Myler sends the receivers in forward motion, takes a snap, 4-man rush. Myler steps up. He's gonna throw it over the top to Patron. He's got it! Touchdown, Green Bay! Pitch out to Simpson on 1st down, who's still going, and he's gonna walk in for a touchdown.
See if they can try to get one back here.
Pitch out to Simpson, the ball is loose! It's still loose, picked up by Cresto, loose again! It is picked up by Green Bay, still live, down at the 1-yard line. On this very short drive, Myler takes, keeps, gets the push, gets in standing, touchdown Green Bay! Snap to Davis, 4-man rush again to the end zone, picked off Nigel Canada. He's got to get out of the end zone. Receivers in forward motion, snap to Myler, a 3-man rush again. He steps up through the hole to the end zone, caught Jalen Cagle, touchdown Green Bay. Slips his way out of the backfield and Cagle in the end zone. Patron and Davis in forward motion. Myler takes a snap, hands off to Cagle, who's got a hole. Cagle bulldozes his way in to the touchdown. As a receiver, Myler takes a snap, 4-man rush, but Cagle open again. Touchdown Green Bay. Jalen Cagle again.
What a route.
Davis takes the handoff and he will walk in for 6. And oh, he might have blew a tire on his way in, as it's over a 14-point deficit. Green Bay moves to 6-3 and into 2nd in the Eastern Conference.